Well, we've seen the artist concept for the Coronado Springs Tower. I wonder what the actual building looks like. Oh, a lot like the artist concept. Okay, so a lot of changes have taken place since we first started watching construction back in April of last year. And at this point, it looks like the construction is going to be taking place inside from here on out. So we probably won't get to see any more of the construction videos until we actually get to go inside the main lobby. You know, after it opens. But we were able to get reservations for Toledo, the restaurant on the roof, in August. But for now, let's just take a look at the changes that we've seen take place. Like the final detail work on the outside of the building. When we were here back in February, the sounds of grinding and riveting could be heard all across the property. But now it looks like that outside detail work is complete. But what I'd really like to do is take a look over the changes that have occurred while we've been watching on As Bob Sees It. But at this point, it looks like they have some not so minor work to do yet. I'm wondering if they put this on as an afterthought, as a temporary kind of thing to lead you to the old lobby. Because it doesn't look like this was something that we'd even seen before. And it kind of goes around the outside of the building. So for now, let's just take a look at the changes that they have made. They've finally uncovered the side turrets, so you can actually get a good look at what they look like now. Although it looks like they got a little bit of touch-up painting they need to do yet. But I think this looks like a good time to do a complete overview of the Gran Destino Tower, complete with the original music that I used back in April. Oh, and I'll bet you thought we forgot about the Oasis, or Three Bridges, or Via del Lago. But we haven't. I've got more on that too. As a matter of fact, it looks just like artist concept for the building. And it looks like it could seriously open tomorrow if they wanted to. But I think it's still the middle of June. And it really seriously has come a long way since we first took a look at it back in April of last year. You know, back when the divers were literally still in order working on one of the three bridges. But at the time, they were still calling it the Oasis. I'm pretty sure by our August visit, they'd changed the name to Three Bridges, which was kind of weird because they had only actually started working on two of the three bridges because they needed to be able to get the boats back and forth. But by our November visit, they'd already started working on most of the third bridge going into the back from over near the pool. And we fast forward a couple of months to May. Well, not only is the third bridge done, I mean, it's done to the point where it has benches and trash cans on it. And they really have made a huge amount of progress in only 1 year. I mean, I'm ready to go eat. How about you guys? Since we're already here, we might as well take a quick trip around the store. How you doing today?
Good, and you?
Excellent.
Cool.
How you doing? Can't believe they took away half your store.
Yeah.
And then they're not giving you a new one over at the new place?
No, it's crazy.
It's just wrong. Should be a department store in here. This should be the new world of Disney.
Yeah.
Look at this. Coasters with the new Coronado Springs on them. Isn't that awesome? Well, does that mean they're going to move Donald and the other two caballeros out to the grass? They're hidden somewhere right now. I still haven't been able to find them. Emmy's decided to sleep in for this one, but she'd still like to see your likes and comments. Me, I'd be interested in your comments too. And if you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you really liked the video, why don't you choose to subscribe? And remember, if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, she's really gone. We'll miss you, Chicken Princess.